Okay, today we're talking about the Woojer MAT. Where's... All right, until about a year ago, to have access to equipment like this, you had to book an appointment. It was expensive. It lived in clinics. It would take up most of the room. Woojer has shrunk the whole thing down, made it compact, really travel size, and you can roll it out onto a normal mattress and use it in your home. So in this video, I'm gonna go over a few things. This may seem obvious, but I am going to test and review this product. I'm gonna show you what's in the box, how to set it up, go over the pros and cons, and then give my final verdict. As always, for my audience, I like to make sure to have a discount code for you. I'll get right out in front on this one. This is not a cheap product. High quality, high price. They go together. So if you're already planning to purchase this, or by the end of this video want one, you can go ahead and use that discount code. It goes a long way. Okay, first let me show you what's in the box. In this box, obviously the Woojer MAT, which I'll give you a full shot of in a second here. A carrying bag, a 3.5 millimeter audio cable, a Woojer premium sleep mask, the USB-C cable, and the 100 watt USB-C power adapter. Just go with me here. Have you ever gotten into bed and you feel exhausted, but you can't turn off your brain? Like you're tired, but you're also wired. And then you go and you look at your Oura Ring or your Whoop band or Fitbit, and you can see all that. You can see how your sleep schedule's off, how your heart rate's probably up. It's all great, and I think those things are important for measuring, but where's the solution? No, but for real, I used one of these before in said clinic, and that's why I needed to get my hands on a Woojer MAT. I had to see if it actually stood the test, and I had the same results as I did in the clinic. I'm not gonna make you wait until the end of this video. 2 thumbs up. It does the job. This thing's incredible. But I want to get into the weeds on this product. Nothing's perfect. It has its pros and cons, but I'm getting ahead of myself. I'll walk through an actual test of the product in just a second. But before I do, if you're new to this type of product, I want to tell you a little bit more about how it works. So this is not just vibration that you're feeling when you're using a product like this. It's actually sound. There's 6 low frequency transducers running between 1 to 250 hertz. You feed it audio, and the low end stops being something you hear and something you actually feel. And not just feel in one part of your body, but throughout your whole body. This is a unique product to test because you kind of have to try it to believe me, which I will make a slight pause and say they do have a 30-day money-back guarantee. So you can try it. And if it's not right for you, send it back. But back to the point, you can't look at this as like a massage chair. It's a vibroacoustic therapy bed. And if that sounds kind of woo-woo to you, I understand, just stick with me here. Let's talk about, is it real science? Low frequency sound therapy has been studied for stress, pain, and sleep. But I'm gonna be straight with you because Woojer is the same way on their website, which is very smart, transparent. Most of those studies are small, and this is not a medical device. It doesn't treat or cure anything. So I'm just gonna put that out there. You have to look at this as therapy or meditation, something you have to get into a daily or weekly routine with to see differences in your stress levels, in your sleep, in things like back pain or muscle relief. But it really is one of those things, after you use it, you can't argue with how you feel. Now there's a few more things that I want to touch on, but before I do that, I'm going to jump to actually showing you how to use this and what it looks like. First, you're going to need to find a good home for your Woojer MAT. We have a guest bedroom where I honestly plan just to keep this set up all the time. It's not required you put it on a bed, but it does increase comfort. Then go ahead and plug it in. As mentioned, it's a simple USB-C cable. You'll also see a few other ports, headphones, data, input. And then looking from the top down here, you can see there are button settings for sensation, audio volume, and then the on/off/Bluetooth pairing. I'll be honest, I plan to go more into the app and setup, but it was truly so self-explanatory that I feel like it would just be overkill and make this video longer than it needed to be. They do a great job making it intuitive and very simple. So go ahead, throw on your sleep mask, noise canceling headphones if you have them, make yourself nice and comfortable, pick your favorite track or one from the Woojer MAT app, and yeah, relax. This would be a really boring 20 minutes for you to watch, so I'm gonna skip ahead here until the end. Again, this part's really hard to describe through video, but I can just tell you their marketing nailed it. You feel relaxed, recharged, and renewed. I'm telling you, I think this type of product is at its ground floor right now. We're gonna see these all over the place in a few years from now. I think, I'm gonna make a prediction right now because I'm posting this to the internet and it's gonna live out there for years. I think these are gonna be integrated into mattresses if they aren't already. That's a great idea. Speaking of that, one flag I'd like to raise. I read somewhere they call this a mattress topper. It's not a mattress topper. This thing is 30 inches wide and one person can lay on it at a time, obviously. It doesn't conform to your bed, it lays on top of your bed, or ground for that matter. It is flexible as well. If you're looking for different type of relief, you can lay it at different angles. And like I mentioned before, it packs and folds up. You can put it in the carrying case. Very, very mobile. Few more quick hits. It's not meant to run all night. It's built for, sessions. 5 to 30 minutes is kind of the range. So like I mentioned, making this a ritual, you lay down, you meditate or use it as your therapy, get back up, go about your day, or for that matter, go to sleep after that, you'll be relaxed. That's really the angle here. That's how you should be using it. All right, the fun part, let's get to the price. This can always fluctuate as I'm just posting a video and they can change the price, but right now you're looking at $849. And this is where a lot of you will close the tab. I understand, honestly, it's expensive. But a few things that move that math for me. One, like I mentioned, the 30-day risk-free trial. So if it's not worth that money to you, send it back. Two, and this should say something about the health benefits, it is HSA and FSA eligible. Those are pre-tax dollars, and I mean, you're averaging about a 30% saving there. And then three, there's no subscription, like ever. You don't have to worry about extra money. It's one fixed cost. Like I said at the beginning of this video, I tried one of these in more of a clinic spa session and wanted it so bad at home. But I even asked the guy, I said, how much does something like this run for? He said, I mean, this is more commercial use, but we paid around 10 grand for this. And I completely, put it out of my mind until I saw this product. This makes it accessible for people to have in their home. Still not cheap, but way more plausible. I could keep talking about this product a lot more, but what I like to do at the end of these videos is kind of go over a quick lightning round Q&A, things that I haven't covered yet that you might be curious about. Here we go. Can I use my own music? Yes. Bluetooth, USB-C, or aux. Is it loud? Can you hear it from the other room? Barely. It sounds like a low hum. It is louder on a floor than on your bed, obviously, too. And you can change the intensity up and down. Can two people use it at the same time? No. Well, yes, but I don't recommend that. Is it actually portable? Sort of. It folds, you can put it in a carrying case, but it does need power. Can I/should I use this every night? Yes. Most people will create a routine of every night for about 20 minutes. Who should not use it? Anyone with pacemakers, implant devices, if you're pregnant or managing something serious. Also, just ask your doctor. Last one, does it have an app? Yes. Dozens of free tracks created specifically with this product in mind, low frequency, meditation, relaxation, pain relief. I like using my own music, but you can tell that these tracks are made specifically for this. Okay, to wrap this all up, if you already do meditation, breath work, if you train hard or struggle to come down from a stressful day, this product you're gonna love. I'd say go for it. Now, if you want something you and your partner can share, if you want something to run all night, if you want a bunch of numbers, graphs, analytics, this probably is not the product you're looking for. My final verdict, and like I mentioned in the beginning, I love it. I'm so pumped to have this in our home. I will be using this all the time. It's a nervous system shutoff switch is what I've kind of best described it as. For me, it's living up to the hype. Don't forget, if you want to pick one up, there's that discount code below. If you have any questions about it, their website's incredible, covers everything really well, but feel free to throw questions in the comments. I'd love to be able to answer them for you. I hope this was helpful. If you want to see more videos like this, go ahead and subscribe. Thanks so much. Until next time, we'll see you later.